So yeah, we will just balance it out a little bit there, okay?
Lo vamos a balancear un poquito.
Okay.
So you've been recognized for your acne scars mostly lately, but people forget you kind of do other stuff.
I do a lot with fillers. I do a lot with facial balancing. I love just keeping it really natural, just gonna make it really soft. Just things to just enhance just little bits of areas that you lose a little bit of volume. I love it actually, it's really fun for it. Just putting tiny little droplets here.
Vamos a ponerle de poquito.
See this one pull down there?
Mira cómo se ha bajado un poco.
That's the other side here. I love doing little bits of filler just throughout the whole face. Sometimes patients notice that, especially with the lip area, they lose a little bit of volume as they get older. I try to just make it look hydrated, just give a little bit of shape, nothing overdone, really natural. Nice. Perfect. Thank you so much.